guys, we're gonna make a video of expectations
and reality.
So let's go.
Boom. Hey, you give me an autograph?
Sure, kiddo.
Hey, can you give me some drugs?
$5 kiddo.
I don't have so much money.
So fuck you, bitch. Boom. Can you give me your autograph?
Sure, kiddo.
Can you give me another?
Last little piece. Yes, I'm doing my perfect art. Yeah, I'm doing my perfect art.
I hope you like our expectation
Versus reality. Oh yeah.
I hope you give a like. Bye bye.
Bye bye.